I actually don't believe in external sources of motivation. So a lot of people watch YouTube videos, go to Tony Robbins seminars. I don't do any of that. I do none of that. Motivation comes from within. True motivation, the motivation that keeps you in the game for the rest of your life, it comes from your reasons. It's your reasons that motivate you. It's not Tony Robbins. It's not watching a YouTube video and getting motivated and getting hyped up for a day, but then next week, you're back to the same old things again. True motivation is reasons. What are your reasons on doing something? And those reasons need to be strong. Those reasons need to be emotional to you. And they need to connect to something personal to you. It could be family, it could be ambition, it could be proving something to somebody, but you need to have a personal connection to those reasons. And those reasons will move you through anything in your life, no matter how difficult or challenging it is. If your reasons are strong enough, have the capability to face any challenge that comes your way. If your reasons are strong enough, that's motivation. And that's the only source of motivation. There aren't any other sources of motivation other than that.